I once had hiccups in the middle of a presentation.
Pardon me.
Nothing worked
As I was
until
saying,
this.
these
I took a deep
metrics
breath, held it, and swallowed while holding it. 3 seconds later, they stopped. Here's why that's powerful. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm spasms. Holding your breath increases carbon dioxide, which resets the spasm reflex. But here's the one doctors quietly use. Take a sip of water. Plug your ears. Swallow slowly. You just stimulated your vagus nerve. The nerve that controls the hiccup reflex. Still there? Pull your knees to your chest and lean forward. You're compressing the diaphragm. If hiccups last more than 48 hours, that's medical. But normal hiccups? Next time they start, you'll know exactly what to do.